Hello everyone. So in today's video I will explain you how we can keep UTM values in GoHighLevel and further proceed into next page. Uh, so the UTM which are coming from the previous step. So let's say, let me go my just give me a second. Where is my Facebook? Yeah. So let's say this is my ad. If I click on my ad, if you can see, it will redirect to my this page. You can see UTM source, medium, every you can say variables are useful values which include with UTM variables. So what we need to do here, you can say this button we created in GoHighLevel, and let's say if I click on this button, so it will go to the next page and with our UTM values as well. So how we get we make that done, let me explain you. So what I normally we use button element from here, but in this case we are using custom code HTML. In that the script is for just for a CSS and some animation part like bounce, and depend on media, like if someone is open a mobile in laptop or in mobile, so that's also added here. Similarly, button properties, so this is my button name and other thing. So I use, if the thing which I need to explain you, this is a button ID or UTM dash button, and where I write this code, I tracking code. In tracking code, in header I added some parameters with get query parameters, in which I will fetch all the parameters from the previous fetch and store that in a function. So what's in footer, I added all these variables with my next URL button, and after that it automatically combine that thing and return that whenever I have to click with the base URL. So this is how I did, and I will attach this code as well in below in description, so you can access that and you can use that as well. So this is how we can use custom code in GoHighLevel funnel to pass UTM values from one place to another, and how you can keep that. Thank you.